TCS test pattern. Okay, generally TCS will hire people for 3 different roles. Okay, Ninja, Digital, as well as Prime. Depends on the skill a student is having. Depends on how knowledge you people have or how you people attempted the test as well as interview together. These roles will be assigned. Generally, from past year, from 2026, they are announcing the TCS NQT only for these 2 roles, digital and prime only. But at the end, okay, they are giving Ninja also. But basic notification given this year also for Open Drive. July ending, we are expecting notification will be given by TCS. But they will give notification for digital and prime only. But let's say you people cleared the test, you got interview chance for digital or prime. But a student who is getting digital for chance for interview, if your performance is not expected for digital role, they are giving Ninja role, or else there is no job for you. You may got good marks in test, you got prime interview, but when you attend for prime interview, if your performance is not good, you not get any job also, or you may got if your performance is well and good, you will get prime or digital or ninja, depends on your performance in interview. Test is one case, okay, and again I'm mentioning in the notification they are giving digital and prime only. That is for test point of view. In test also they are clearing the students only for digital and prime as per test. But after interview, finally some students will get ninja also. That's all depends on your interview performance. There's a lot of things involved. And if you want to clear the test, there are 2 sections, foundation section as well as advanced section. Previously, if a student performed well in foundation section, not done anything in advanced, they at least got ninja interview. But now ninja interview is there. Now there is interview only for 2 roles, which is digital and prime. So you should do at least 1 code in advanced section, or at least few test cases must be cleared in each code. Okay, you are not done with all test cases. Let's say 10 test cases is there in each code, 10 and 10. Okay, if you're not able to clear 10 out of 10, at least 3 or 4 test cases clear, then you'll get a chance for digital. So I am okay. There is some cases where they did exceptionally well in foundation as well as advanced quantum reasoning. Coding 0 also few got digital. Exceptionally performed well in remaining all. They're seeing overall score, my dear. Overall score they are checking. In test cases, let's say here we have 7 test cases. Each test gets 2 marks. So let's say you got advanced quantum reasoning very much performed, you got more score there. There is a still chance because some students are maybe in my YouTube channel they'll keep putting comments. Sir, my friend got no coding, not solved any coding, still got interview. I solved 1 coding, I didn't get interview. There is a lot of factors. First factor you should understand is for any role you must should clear foundation section. This is one very important. If you want to enter into any of the role, you have to be exceptionally performed in foundation section is minimum mandatory. Depends on your performance in advanced section, your interview role or final role will be decided. That's all later things. But foundation section is mandatory. What is that in foundation section? Numerical ability, nothing but quantitative aptitude, then verbal, then reasoning. Important thing, you cannot start reasoning. The flow must be in the same order. You cannot open the other section. First it will open numerical ability only. TCS is giving clear clarity for you. No deviation. First it will open numerical ability. First question solve, then only second. Second question won't open until first one complete. You have to mark some answer among ABCD, Jvalaya something. Then only go for second question. Without marking first question, second question will not open. They are giving very clarity. Maybe later, okay, sir, I go for fourth question, later I'll come for first question. Here 10 seconds waste, there 10 seconds wasted, entire waste. You focus only on the current question. That's the clarity. First section, first question open, you focus on only first question. Complete. Then go for second question. Focus only on second. When you go for second question, you cannot go for third, you cannot go for first one. Until you attempt second, then only third one. Don't focus on other sections also because first section open is only numerical. numerical ability. Once completed, then only second, then only third section will be there. Okay. And this year, for partner college, TCS drive already started. We got inputs from that drive, and in verbal ability, there is some changes happened. Remaining all fine, but verbal that is not officially given so far. But we got the update because drive is not completed; they are in process. But we got the updates with our trustable resources. So, what is the update is in verbal ability. Now, all questions are given as fill in the blanks. In the sense, you have to type the answer, I mean to say. It's not MCQs, it's a fill in the blank. He dash good. He is good, he are good. What do you have to type there? You have to type the answer. And other thing, they added email writing. Email writing is there before 2018. 2015, 16, 17, 18. In TCS, email writing is there. Now they added email writing in verbal. So how this email writing will work is generally TCS format, 10 minutes they'll give. What they'll do is they'll give a situation. Okay, your project is, you are working in a company, you are working in a team. Okay, you have to submit the project, but due to power shortage or some issues, power issues, you are not able to complete the project on time. You have to write a mail to the client. How you will write the mail? That's the contest. Okay, but again, the other point, you may take it as advantage or drawback. They'll give some words in some sequence. You need to use that words in the same sequence in your paragraph, filling something in between. Some words will be given in particular sequence. It's like a clue for you. Same order, you have to use the words in your email also. In between, you need to fill other. They'll give some outline. Okay, those words in the same order you need to give. That email writing is added this time, and they added fill the blanks also. Okay, in the sense fill the blanks means don't think like prepositions are okay, whatever it might be, but they are not giving options. Their meaning is there is no options. This fill the blanks model already there in Quant. Whenever a number should be filled in Infosys, TCS, as well as Gate exam, already fill the blanks are there in QuantitativeAptitude, where you have to enter the number. In verbal now we have to type the word that they first time introduced. That's okay. In the trustable from trustable sources we got the input, and this will change accordingly. Slight changes in this 25 questions 25 minutes because they're giving each question 30 seconds, 40 seconds likewise. And listen, TCS is having exam in three different ways. It's time to time. I think 2024 batch for Pega students, what they did, we have numerical 20 questions, time duration how much? 25 minutes. Now from past, maybe during this year drive or last year also, what they did, okay, 20 questions, overall time duration is 25 minutes. But 2 years before, what they did is first question easy question, 40 seconds only. Not entire 25 minutes for that entire section. Question wise timer is given. Question is easy 40 seconds. Question is difficult 90 seconds. Question moderate 60 seconds. Sir, I solved this question in 10 seconds. But you have to wait for that 60 seconds to complete. You have to wait for 60 seconds to complete. Question wise timer is also introduced. Okay, that when they incorporate those is when they have less number of recruitment, they need to add more twists and turns, so they'll put that. If there is a reasonable number, they'll go for section wise timer. 20 questions on the first question 5 minutes, second question 1 minute, it's your wish. Okay, and you cannot navigate between sections and questions. Already mentioned. First question complete, then only second complete, then only third. Front and back moving not there. Navigation between questions, navigation between sections are not allowed. That's for a good thing only. TCS, we should appreciate them because lot of companies, MNCs, to avoid burden from there, they're asking the students to take exam from your home. Students should take exam from their home or from their own place or okay. But the student who is very much skilled, if they don't have good laptop, advanced features, which is Windows 10 and above, or maybe not having good internet. When you open no, first before entering to the exam, first it will check internet. Out of 3 points, minimum 2 points required. this is less than 2, your exam will not start. If you have some noise in and around, your laptop is having internal issue, some noise, it won't start. Your mic not working properly, camera quality not there, it won't start. Even you are skilled, but due to this other external factors, some students are missing. And some power cut. By mistake, somebody some image captured, camera captured, other than you, somebody else captured that video. You are disqualified. You are banned for 2 years in certain companies. Okay, so all those are not there in TCS because you are going to take the exam in TCS and centers. Some extra effort, yes, you need to reach the center, but good thing, yes, skilled people will be having no issues. You need to reach the center, there is some 1 or 2 hours journey, that's all fine. That also people are opting which, whether you want test center in Hyderabad or Warangal, they'll give that selection process also during your application. You will go to that center. Long back, after COVID and 1 year, 2 years also, they give an option, 2 options. One is taken from the IAN center, one is virtual. You can take from your own place. They give an option, but for past 2 years, that second option virtual is removed. You are mandatory required to go and take exam in their centers. So that's a good sign actually. Fine. So you got the clarity one section after done. Foundation section I highlighted because if you want Prime or Digital or Ninja, foundation section must be performed well. Section wise cutoff is there. Some students will come and tell, sir, I did advanced coding, 2 questions I cleared. But if you're not done with foundation section, you are not qualified for interview. You did very much good in advanced. You talk to any of your seniors, one point they'll give common to you all is advanced section is very much easy compared to foundation section. You can see our material, questions in advanced, and here you talk to any of the seniors, approach here and there, any social media also. Advanced section is easy, time taking is less compared to foundation section, especially quant reasoning. Right. So the common thing in advanced section and foundation section is quant and reasoning. Numerical is nothing but quantitative aptitude. Right? Okay. And don't think that, sir, I'll solve all 20 questions. No, aim for hardly 15 questions sufficient. You solve 10 to 12 questions correctly sufficient. I'm telling you, if you are taking exam from your home, okay, automatically your laptop will be smashed, blast, everything with the tension, with the mode of questions, you will be depression. Lucky they are conducting the exam in their centers, your laptops are safe. Otherwise, okay, the questions level I'm telling you, first section is numerical ability. After 3-4 questions, everybody will do give up. Sir, it's not my cup of tea, I'm not suitable for TCS. I'm telling you clearly. But cutoff is less. Section wise cutoff is there. If you solve 8 to 9 questions out of 20 is sufficient. You cannot aim for, no need to aim for all 20, no negative marking. Okay, at the last 1 minute time, okay, mark something ABCD for a few questions, what is left. But focus on questions which you are solving, don't take too much. It will be difficult, keep in mind. And open challenge, sir, I solved TCS aptitude, I cleared. You can clear any company aptitude. That much difficulty you can sense. It's an open statement. TCS NQT numerical ability, I am able to solve every question, I am able to understand, I am able to solve. Then you can solve aptitude of any company. In fact, we have Infosys papers also next discussion. Here, one paper I'll take 10 hours, there one paper 2 hours only. You can understand, one paper there I'll take hardly 2 hours to complete. Here I'll take close to 6 to 8 to 10 hours. The depth will be in that way. Okay, so it's happy you are learning something is always good. Okay, but I'm just trying to make sure you people, it will be difficult, try to understand. Okay, it will be difficult, yes, understand, but keep doing, don't leave. Okay, next coming to this, yeah, assuming that you got minimum section wise cutoff is generally like 40%. Every section 40%, 40%, 40%. In the sense, numerically minimum 8 questions you need to solve. Reasoning minimum 8 should be correct. In verbal minimum 10 questions should be correct. Minimum. But what many of you people will do, you will do extremely good in one of the sections, other sections will be not that much good. So you need to focus on every section. Every section score is very, very important. Section-wise cutoff is there. No navigation between sections and questions, but section-wise cutoff is there. Fine. Now coming to advanced quantum reasoning, together 14 questions, 25 minutes. Advanced coding, 2 questions, 90 minutes. 2 codes, one very easy. April questions, everything is there in my YouTube channel. Coding also, every question explained, everything is available. If you have to check, out of 2 questions, one will be easy and moderate, one will be bit next level. So at least you tap one coding question, full test cases. Second one, 2 or 3, still you'll get a chance for prime. One question at least all test cases, second one 2 or 3 test cases also fine. But make sure, sir, I don't have both questions, I don't know. At least 2 or 3 test cases in each one will get digital. No coding question means it's a difficult to get the interview chance. So 2 coding questions are not done. That's very okay. Then it's very rare case you will get interview. Until unless remaining all sections you performed extremely well. This is regarding the test pattern and the idea. Okay, what you have to do in this TCS, right? Okay. Time duration 190 minutes, more than 3 hours. You need to report to the centers 1 hour before. Close to 4 hours you will be in the center. Okay, so your mindset should be in such a way you should sit there. And strange thing is, until 25 minutes completed in numerical ability, second section won't open. It won't start. Right? So until the timer completed, except last section, I believe, remaining all sections, the timer should be killed. 0, it should become 0. Then only next section will open. So every question you keep trying and solving, just like that you keep also time is same only. So instead of wasting the time and just like that doing time pass, the same efforts put on the question and you can give it a good try.